What do you think when the word business comes into your mind? A large organization with 40 floors building and they have thousands of employees. Yeah, that is what business was a few years ago looks like. But the scenario has changed entirely now due to the revolution of computers, the internet, and this digital era. In today's era, you can set up your business even without a huge space and a fancy shop. And because of COVID-19, all businesses are going online fastly. And in this video, I am going to tell you how to take your business online, and I show you practically how you can create your business website within 15 minutes with Hostinger. And I am going to show you how you can exactly make an amazing website without any prior knowledge of programming and coding. And I can give you 100% guarantee that within 15 minutes you can make your own professional and profitable website. If you want to take your business online and you need a website, so don't need to hire someone who may charge you $1,000 for a basic website except me, because I can build your website without any cost. But I just request you that please buy the hosting and domain through my discount link which is given by in my description. And if you want to build your website for free, then comment below or mail me at given email ID. So without any further delay, let's get started. Online platforms are booming today due to this pandemic. As I told you in the first video that there is no option other than taking the business online. So the question comes, how we can take the business online? So two things are required before taking the business online. Like in the traditional way, a space are required before opening a shop. And the name of that shop is written on the holding board and put it on the front of the shop so that customers can recognize the shop. Similarly, we need a hosting services as a space area, and we require a domain name instead of holding name before taking the business online. And as I told you in the earlier videos, and I still say that if you want to approx 92% discount including free domain name and a free SSL certificate for lifetime, please go through the link which is given by in my description. And I'll give you additional discount coupon code if you go through my link as a giveaway, and you can claim it in the comment section now. If you have taken up hosting and domain, then let's go to the Hostinger's dashboard. We can choose a full fresh domain name such as samiruddinconsultancy.com. As of now, I have blog on samiruddinconsultancy.co.in, but very soon I'll also available on this domain. The first thing to do is to add a new domain. So click on add website. Type your domain name and set a password here. And now click on add website. Now our domain added here. So I have added this domain. Now we have to install the content management system, and for that let's back to the dashboard and click on auto installer. Here you will get many options like WordPress, PrestaShop, OpenChart and Joomla, etc. So out of them, WordPress is best suited now. So just click on WordPress and fill all credentials that is required. So now WordPress is installed successfully. That is why your dashboard and plugin showing here. And you can select any domain from here. So without delay, let's learn how to create a professional website within 15 minutes. Let's go to the WordPress dashboard. Click on Edit Website. Now the WordPress content management system are open now. This is the by default WordPress website theme that activates by installing WordPress. Here you will find many notifications and short links like writing your first blog, add about us page, and set up a home page, etc. We will see these later. Before going ahead, let's do some basic settings. In general setting, you can add the website title, tagline, edit website URL, and check this box so that anyone can register to your website. Then go to reading and click for static page. Later, here you can select the home page and post page. Now we have to install a theme. So under appearance, just click on theme. The theme is basically a package of templates that will specify the design of your website. Click add new and search Astra. So you don't need to manually writing HTML and CSS code here. And I am going to using a completely free theme. You will also get a link for this theme in my description. Just install it. Let's see live preview. It's look like there is no dummy content inserted till now. So activate it. After activating, you will see a message that you need to install some plugins to access Astra starter templates. Just do that and click on Get Started. You will get 4 web builder to edit the content of the website. You have to select one out of them and always should select the Elementor because it will provide you many options to design our site. Even you can completely change your site structure using it. There is also paid membership in which you will get a lots of options and you will also get the link of Elementor in the description. Let's see, a lots of stunning templates are available here to creating an amazing website. You will get here different kinds of themes for different businesses, like for consultant firm, personal trainer, restaurant, painter, wedding organizer, construction and more. You can filter here. For that you can choose business category. Now let's see a few of them. This is an app portfolio website template. It takes several lines of code to create it, but you don't need to do multiple lines of code. Even you can customize it using builders like Elementor. Now let's see another demo for the education course website. And finally, it is a diagnostic lab theme. So I am going to import this. Just click on the import complete site. It will take a few minutes. And now it is imported. Now let's see our fresh site are live with dummy contents. And are you noticed? Exact same demo website has been imported onto our domain, which is samiruddinconsultancy.com. And now, if you would like to change any text, any images on this website, the process is very simple. At the very top, you can see Edit with Elementor. Just click on it. This bar only visible for those who are the administrator of the site. So Elementor is basically a page builder, and it provides a mechanism to edit any content without dealing with a single line of code. For example, if would you like to change this heading text to something else, just click on it and type backspace of your keyboard. And you can type here something like Hostinger, a web hosting company. Even you can change text color from style section. If you would like to save these changes, on the top bottom left corner, we can see an update button. Just click on it and these changes has been saved now. Now, if you would like to change or update the link of this button, for this make an appointment. Just right click on it and edit button. In the left section, you can see a link box just here. You can change the link. Suppose if you would like to change this image, similarly right click here and replace it or upload another image. So that is so easy to make any changes on this website, and in this way you can manipulate any content of the site. Even you can fully customize this site according to your business requirement. If you want to add or update a menu, go to the dashboard and under appearance click menus. So from here you can add, remove or reorder menus. If you want to create a new page, click on the page section. Here you will get all your pages and you can also add new page from here. So this is a classic editor. So write title here and content and paste content here and publish it. Or you can also use Elementor for custom page designing. Click on Elementor. Using Elementor, you can manually design a page or just insert pages from template library. And the same way you can create a post. Let's see. So in this way you can make your business online within 15 minutes. I hope you understand now how to set up a business website, and in case if you have any question, please tell me in comment section. And if you want to develop your business website free of cost, then you can contact me at given email ID. Now allow me. See you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Good luck and goodbye.